What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another light painting tutorial. And this one, I'm going to show you how to create this image right here on your cell phone. The cell phone that I'm using is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. To do light painting on your iPhone, you need to use an app at this current state and time. Hopefully one day we're going to have light painting on the iPhone, but for now you got to use an app, and the app that I'm using is called Slow Shutter Cam. The tools that I'm using to create this image are the collapsible light sword, the white one from Light Painting Brushes, and also the holographic sword, also from Light Painting Brushes. Real quick, let me show you how to use the app. We're going to go in, we're going to open up the app. We're going to go to the settings button. On settings, we're going to go to the light trails mode. We are going to set the light sensitivity to full. We're setting the exposure to bulb, and then we're going to bring the ISO as low as it'll go down to 32. One other thing you might notice is that it's a lot brighter out here than I would normally be light painting in. And the reason I can do that is because the app that I'm using basically does a live composite feature where the only new recordings to that long exposure are any additional light to the scene. So it's basically taking a picture of the scene itself, leaving the shutter open, and then only adding in any additional light. I'm going to go ahead and run through this one now and show you exactly how to create it. The first thing that I'm doing is using the holographic to create these kind of colors on the side here of the frame just by waving the light just like this to the camera. Then I'm going to go in and create a circle of light with the white light sword and try to line that up in the center. The really cool thing about this app is because it does that live composite feature, I can add in the color of light on the sides using the holographic and kind of look at the image before I run in there to create that circle of light to see where I need to be in the image to kind of line things up. It is really simple to do light paintings on your iPhone using this app with this basically live composite feature. So here we go. And that's how easy it is to capture that light painting on your cell phone, the iPhone here 14 Pro Max with the Slow Shutter Cam app. One other thing that I forgot to mention that is very, very important in this is that you need to be shooting with a tripod. And that's it, guys. If you liked the video, please do give me the thumbs up down below. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. I'll answer anything that I can. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, please do subscribe down below. And until the next video, get out there and get creative.